Hi there. Greetings from Vissco. Let us now see how to wear the Vissco Tennis Elbow Support. Product code 2617. The tennis elbow support offloads the elbow muscles and relieves pain. It is used in case of tennis elbow, lateral epicondylitis, and golfer's elbow. The tennis elbow support comes in universal size, one size fits all. Let us now see how to wear this product. Measure 2 centimeters below your elbow joint. Place the silicone pressure pad over the muscle bulk. Now pass the strap through the buckle and pull and lock to a comfortable and firm fit. Congratulations! You are now wearing the product correctly.